I'm Erin Clifford from Erin Clifford Wellness. I am a corporate wellness coach and consultant, and I've created a course specifically for professionals like you, and I am so excited to tell you all about it. It's going to take 10 weeks, and you're going to go about it by really thinking about, first off, what are your values at this point in your life? And then what life domains are really important for you to work on? Busy professionals really struggle sometimes with finding that work-life balance, dealing with a little bit of chronic stress or burnout. So it's really important to, kind of get a vision for yourself of what you want your life to look like going forward. A lot of people will do, some of these programs and they sort of start by looking at what's your big goal? But I like to help you discover what your big goal is. I sort of think about it like, Alice in Wonderland, when she, comes down to Wonderland, she sees the Cheshire Cat. And he asks her which way she wants to go. And, she tells him that she's not sure, she doesn't know. And he says, well, it doesn't really matter anyway, does it? And so that's really how I feel. And I really started this program. It's really trying to take a professional, an individual through and figuring out, what are your goals right now? What life domains do you want to work on? We're all unique. And you really need to figure out, how do you want to design your own wellness plan? I'm a really big fan of building upon small changes over time. I think it's too much to try to do everything at once. So the idea really behind this program is that it's modularly based. And so each week you're just going to slowly build a little bit more into that lifestyle plan that you're creating. When you are done with this 10-week course, you're going to have this wellness program that's perfectly branded for you. We have a website that you're going to be signing up on, and we'll be putting lots of promotional materials out. You can also sign up on it through my personal website, erincliffordwellness.com. And of course, with the holidays and the first of the year coming up, we're definitely going to be giving everybody some discount codes because it's a great way to not only give yourself, a wellness gift to start the year off right, but, also any of your friends, your family, your colleagues who might be looking to, get a little bit more self-care, a little more balance, wellness into your everyday life.